हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम बात करेंगे करंट अवेयरनेस सर्विस एंड सिलेक्टिव डिजर्मिनेशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन। करंट अवेयरनेस सर्विस, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CAS, that is current awareness service. CAS aim to keep user informed of new developments. CAS is general. CAS is provided regularly and proactively. Which of the following is not an example of CAS? That is bibliography on cancer research for a doctor. Which type of user group does CAS usually target? A large and general group. CAL helps in promoting recent publication. CAS is based on current and recent information. A librarian preparing a bulletin on new books of the month is a current awareness service. Current awareness service provides information in condensed summary form. The primary objective of CAS is awareness, which is the main tool for CAS, that is display boards, alerts and bulletins. Which library section typically manages CAS? That is reference section. CAS is especially important in research and academic libraries. One limitation of CAS is too general for individual needs. A library e-newsletter about upcoming seminars and events is current awareness service. The benefit of current awareness service is timely awareness of new developments. Current awareness service contribute to keeping user up to date, which is a current awareness service delivery format, that is bulletin board. Which tool is commonly used in electronic CAS, that is RSS feed. Selective dissemination of information. What does SDI stand for? That is selective dissemination of the information. SDI is primarily personalized and the targeted. SDI is based on user interest profile. SDI is mostly applicable in special and research libraries. The concept of SDI was introduced by Calvin Muir. SDI provides information relevant to the user's field of interest. A researcher receiving alerts on newly published papers in oncology is using SDI. SDI required user profile database. In SDI, the profile of the user is matched with the current documents and the information. SDI is often implemented using software and alert service, which is not a step in SDI process, that is issue library cards. SDI is designed to meet individual information needs. One major limitation of SDI is requires constant updating of user profile. SDI is considered a user-centric service. An, an effective SDI service depends on the accurate user interest profile. SDI help avoid information overload. Which library is most likely to use SDI extensively? Research and technical library. In SDI, information is delivered selectively. SDI is best suited for the specialist and researcher. SDI can include alert about specific articles, patents, or reports. The frequency of SDI alert depends on the information output and user preference. SDI minimize unwanted or relevant information. SDI is generally considered a part of the reference and information service, which is necessary for effective SDI, that is up-to-date database of current literature. SDI can be delivered through personalized email alerts. SDI allow user to receive updates based on need. In SDI, information filtering is based on relevance to the user profile. The output of SDI is generally customized information list. SDI promotes knowledge update in specialized field. Which modern tools are used in SDI? That is AI powered recommendation system. Thank you.